Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is a speed test between Huawei Nova 3i and the Realme 1. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Huawei Nova 3i sports a Kirin 710 processor with Mali G51 MP4 GPU, while the Realme 1 sports a MediaTek Helio P60 processor with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on benchmark scores, Huawei is definitely better. So let's see how they actually perform. So guys, for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but Realme 1 was able to open more number of apps faster than Nova 3i. So for the speed test, Realme 1 is definitely the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see which phone performs better. Memory management is good on both phones, but comparatively, Nova 3i performs slightly better than Realme 1 with just 4GB of RAM. So there isn't a huge difference, you can call it as a tie, but I'll pick Nova 3i as the winner. Now for the last test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. Now finally, while opening games, Realme 1 was noticeably faster than Nova 3i. So guys, overall, when it comes to performance, Realme 1 is definitely better, but when it comes to memory management, it's almost a tie with Nova 3i performing slightly better. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.